How to replace a 2015 Dodge Dart 5-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, let's go ahead and change the battery out on our 5-button remote. If your key ring is attached or get anything ran through this corner, you will need to remove that since this remote has come apart. And for this task, you'll just need nothing but a flat tip screwdriver. I'm going to use this just for display purpose. Let's go ahead and flip it over. You notice your emergency release. Spring loaded, so go ahead and pull back. Pull your key out to the side, and if you notice, you've got an indentation here and the hole here. Take your flat tip screwdriver, you're going to put it right in there. Make sure you hold your remote firmly and twist the screwdriver. Don't pry. Now that you got it open, slowly, and you notice the circuit board did that, and it slotted right back in, so we're good there. Leave it face down. Now that you got the battery exposed right here on this corner, you can take that flat tip screwdriver 180, pop it up under there because there's indentation. This is a new remote we're using, so I'm gonna put this battery back in. Notice it goes right here on the spring side. Put it in there. You notice it should stay in. Go ahead, put the two halves back together. Make sure you work your way around. Squeeze it. Put your emergency blade back in. And there you go. You change the battery. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.